Sunlight floods a cozy room, highlighting a mother cat as she tenderly grooms her three playful kittens. The kittens, bursts of energy, tumble around their mother, their innocent games filling the air with warmth. The mother cat pauses, her purrs a gentle lullaby as she prepares to leave her little ones. "Be good for the babysitter, I'll be back soon," she whispers, her voice soft with affection and a hint of concern. The kittens, now alone, watch as their mother departs, their innocent eyes reflecting a world of boundless curiosity and anticipation. Darkness smothers the kitten home, the air thick with dread. The evil babysitter, a feline terror with eyes like chips of ice, surveys her domain. Exhausted kittens struggle with oversized chores, their tiny bodies trembling with fatigue and hunger. Clean the litter box, scrub the floors. The evil babysitter hisses, her voice laced with venom. "No food until you're done," she declares, crushing the kitten's spirits. Under the cover of a stormy night, rain and wind relentlessly assault the city streets as the kittens begin their desperate flight. Flashes of lightning reveal their wide, frightened eyes and soaked fur as thunder rumbles, amplifying their terror. They struggle against the elements, their tiny bodies battling through flooded streets in search of refuge. Disaster strikes as one kitten loses its footing, tumbling into a furious stream of water. Paws outstretched in a futile attempt to rescue their sibling, the remaining kittens are torn apart by the unforgiving current, swept away into the storm's embrace. The evil babysitter, her eyes blazing with cold defiance, is escorted away in handcuffs, her reign of terror brought to an end. "You're going away for a long time," the police officer states, his voice firm as justice prevails. In a room bathed in soft, forgiving light, a mother cat is reunited with her surviving kittens, a beacon of hope amidst the despair. She pulls her kittens close, her purrs a comforting rumble, a symphony of love and protection. Scars mark their tiny bodies, silent testaments to their ordeal, yet their eyes gleam with an unbreakable, resilient spark.